Our special guest is going to be thrilled. He's going to kill them all. No, Candy. No, not Poppy. She's always been his favorite. I think she's a little asking Annie. She is a little asking Annie. Please take me out of my case. Oh, please save the orphans. Oh, please burn the whole factory and burn everyone alive.
Fuck you.
Ooh. Our special guest is here.
Oh no. Bruh, who's the guest? The prototype! No!
Wait.
Surprise!
Do it to the others. Oh my god.
Uh-oh, she doesn't know.
Shut the fuck up, bitch!
I did what I had to do. They're in a better place now. No. You're a monster! I built us a home and kept us safe. And you repaid me by bringing in an outsider. And plotting to destroy the only heaven you and I will ever get. I hope the time in your case you would see the reason. I see now. This was my fault.
Is this happening?
I took a child because a child is what they made you. Let me go. You're hurting me. Don't be afraid. I can fix you, Poppy. I can make you better.
Wait.
You, the outsider, the butcher they call you. Shall we see what you look like wrong side out?
I was raised in a broken and abusive household.
Don't touch her.